Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's activate the phone's dialer, let's use the keypad and let's enter the first secret code. Asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk. As you can see, the following test mode pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can, for example, check your software version right here. You can also test the SD card, test the colors of your screen, for example, right here. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key. You can test the sound. And if you would like to, you can also test the receive, and you should hear the numbers and click on the following keypad. Let's tap OK. And other tests such as the Bluetooth, light sensor, LED. You can also use more key and, for example, use the Wi-Fi test tool. Alright, let me go back to quit the QC test, tap OK. Now let's enter the Android testing menu, so let's input the following code, asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. As you can see, the testing menu pops up. Here you can open the phone information and read such stuff as email number, phone number, current network, signal strength. You can also run a ping test or choose more key in order to view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or for example enable data connection. So let's use a back key to quit this menu right here, and let's open the battery info, for example. Here you can read such stuff as battery temperature, battery technology, or battery scale. Use back key again. Let's open usage statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications from your device. You may read such things as last time used or usage time. So this time let me open the Wi-Fi information right here, and here you can select the Wi-Fi API when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get configured networks. Use back key one more time and let's select Wi-Fi config. Here you've got the configured networks from your device. You may also select the Wi-Fi status and read the Wi-Fi statistics. You can also refresh or stats or run a ping test if you would like to. So let's use a back key a couple of times just to quit the Android testing menu. And this time let me open the calendar info. So let's use asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. The calendar info pops up, so you can read a couple of information about the events from your calendar. So let's use a back key to quit the calendar info. And let's open the Google Play services. So here let's enter the following code, asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. And the Google Play services pops up in front of you. So you can here use the following menu, for example, to switch from status to events. Let's go back, and this time let's open the debug UI. So let me input the following code, asterisk hash 759 hash asterisk. And sometimes the debug UI may pops up, so it's good to check. And at the end, let me show you how to enter the email mode. So let's input the asterisk hash 06 hash, and as you can see, the email information pops up in front of you. So tap OK to close this window, and basically that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.